What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. These are the fun videos to make. We got an early pair of the Jordan Shadow 2.0s in hand. So we can do a nice little comparison to the, I can't really call them OG, but the semi-OG Shadows from 2018, the most recent release of this shoe. I was super pumped to get the original Shadow 1 in 2018. It's just a really nice shoe on foot. The colors, that gray pops, you know, it's just a perfect shoe. So in Jordan brand fashion, they announced, oh, we're coming with a Shadow 2.0. So we got these early and we gonna see the difference. You know, there's already some crazy differences, but you know, I'll compare it for you guys. Just starting straight from quality standpoint, well, actually let's go just color patching. Obviously you see the colors on the Jordan 1 2018 Shadow. It's a lot of black. It's kind of how we like it. Black around the toe, black upper mostly, and then the gray parts just come in on the normal color blocking on the swoosh and on the toe box. So that's your normal color blocking, I would say. For the Shadow 2.0, they switched it up. We got the same black up here, but then all throughout the kind of lace loops, and then right here and around the toe, we get the actual gray and then a black toe box. So yeah, it is different, but it kind of up to you. I honestly would prefer the 2018 color blocking. I think it just looks better. Everything else, same Jordan 1. But the big shock on this comparison, the big shock, is the color difference. You can kind of see it on video. Actually, you can definitely tell on video. The original Shadow 1 is a lot darker. It's like a graphite gray, I would call it. Like, I think Jordan might call it medium gray. I'm gonna call it graphite gray for anybody kind of in the car world, or, you know, wrap the car. Graphite gray. I really like this color gray. It just looks really, really, really nice. I think the room I'm sitting in is actually that color. This pair, this is a super light color gray. It kind of looks a little weird. I'm not even gonna lie. Especially when you compare it to the old one, it just is so light. I don't really like it, honestly. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not a fan. I don't know if this is gonna sway anybody from copping the pair, but I do not like the color on this. Look, we got that nice medium graphite gray. It's dark, it looks real nice, and then we got the light boy. Then we got the light color, which I don't know how I feel about. It's just too light for me. So this is one of those easy passes for me. It was cool to get early pairs, but yeah, that color shows up on the Nike Air on the front. You can even tell it's lighter. It's just kind of, it's up to you though. It's up to you. The gray on the laces, lighter. I don't know what to tell you. But in terms of, it's still a Jordan 1. We all know that is the comparison for you guys. Hope that helped you when deciding if you are about to cop this shoe or if you're about to try to cop. We know how Jordans go now. Let me know in the comments if you like the color. Maybe you like it lighter than the other one. Let me know which one you prefer, 2018 or 2021. They increased the retail price $10. Come on, man. What happened to the 160? We won't talk about it. You're gonna get me ranting again, and y'all don't want those problems. But yes, we're coming at you with another video very, very soon. But like the video, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.